Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, in last session we have seen how to install Tailwind in our React application. Okay, so today we'll see how to add custom fonts in your React application. Okay, so that we will see guys how to add custom fonts. Okay, so for that we'll go in Google guys. Here I will hide it. Okay, so I have to go in Google. Okay, so here in Google just type here guys font. Okay, first type font, then we'll get a Google fonts. Okay, so click on that on Google font. Then here you will get lot of font guys. You can see there are a lot of font. So we'll select from here one and we'll check guys for that. Okay, so which one should I get? mm, Any one will pick from here. So which one? Okay, this one I'll take. It is common. I want actually italic something like that, but that I'm not able. Here, so I'll pick this. Okay, Roboto Mono. So here you can see we'll go in get font. Okay, so here you will get guys, here one more font is there, that is Light. Okay, static. So this also we can get. So we'll download it. Which one? Okay, so here it is downloading guys, Light Roboto Mono. So there are a lot of fonts are there, but we'll take only one where it is get fonts. See, there are a lot of those, so it is downloading all things. So I'll delete this, delete this, delete this. Only one will take. Okay, so I'll download. So it is you can see as it is downloading. So I'll make it save. Okay, then after that just open it guys. So I'm opening here. So from here just copy it guys. That is Dynalite regular. Okay, just copy it. This one, okay, just copy and go in your React application. So I am going in my React application guys, that is my app. So here in source, in assets, here you create one folder. So I'll create one folder like fonts. Okay, fonts. Okay, open it and paste that. Okay, so I'm pasting here. Okay, fine. Now we'll go in our code. So you can see guys, if you go in font, there is one file added. We have added one file. Okay, now go in index.css. So here we need to add some points guys, that will tell you now. Okay, so guys, here just okay below it, we'll take this as above. Okay, here take like add font face, and here it will come like font family. Okay, and here we need to take the name. So whatever I have added here, that name I have to give. Okay, so the name is, I'm not getting here name. Here, okay, I'll copy the name. Okay, I have copied. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so you can see guys, I have copied here. Okay, then next here we need to add one source guys, that is src source we need to add. So URL, okay, you can see it is showing me that, so that only we need to take. So this is the path we need to take guys. Okay, so it is src. In src there is an assets, right? So assets take, then after that fonts will come, then later guys, see later our file will come, that is dynalite regular ttf. You can see guys, this path we have taken. Okay, so assets, fonts, and this. Okay, so here we got a path. Now after that guys, we need to add here one theme, that is add thm. Okay, this is you need to do only one time guys. Okay, then here font will come. Okay, then here the name will come guys. So this is Dynalite regular, right? So I'll copy it, paste it here. Okay, then you can give different name also. Okay, that's not a problem. You can give different name also there. So if this is not working, then we'll take this case, that is sans serif. this font. Okay, if it is working, then that only it will work, otherwise this will work. See, we can take only regular also here. This name you can take anything, but this name should be correct guys. Okay, okay, this is done. Now this font we need to apply here, right? So what I'll do guys, so here is my path. You can see guys now how the text is. You just check guys how the text is now, and here I'll add guys. Okay, so what is that? Regular. So here you can see it is taken regular. Okay, font regular. So you can see guys, right, text has been changed. So whatever we have taken, and that only it came, you can see. Okay, suppose if you take this same here also now, you can see here also it is changing, right? So like this you can add like by downloading. Okay, then one more thing I'll tell you guys, that is how to embed the code. Okay, so to embed the code, just select anyone. See, I'll select this now. Just go in get font, then here I want to embed the code, right? So what we'll do, we'll delete this because we have done this now, right? Then I'll so I'll delete it. Then we'll take robot. Okay, so just go in get embed code. Okay, here you need to select guys import. Okay, here we are taking this guys robot. Okay, then just copy it, that is at import. Go in your file index.css, then add it here, just import it. Okay, so we have imported here. Fine, then after that just copy this guys here, and here you can see this font family, that is Roboto. Just copy it and add it here, Roboto, and this also will make as Roboto only. This is also Roboto. Okay, fine. Now we'll see here. You can see it's here I will add. Okay, Hello Tailwind CSS. So for that I'll add here Roboto. So here it is font. You can see it is showing Roboto. You can see here it is changing something, right? Observe there guys. Okay, I'll add here also. Oh, where it is going? Font Roboto. You just see guys that click me now. You can see it is changing something, right? So the style is applying on that guys, that font is applying. Okay, so like that you can download and you can add custom font in your file guys. Okay, so I hope you got this. See how to add custom colors. For example, see, these are colors which are inbuilt we are using here. I'll show you here. Okay, so here you can see as we're using BG blue 700, okay, and text white and all. Okay, so these are in Tailwind, from Tailwind we're using. Okay, but for example, suppose if you want to give your color or custom color, if you want to create, then how to do that? Okay, so that we'll see. So you need to go in your index.css, then here only at theme is there, right? There only we need to do. Okay, so just click here. So to add custom colors, here we have done font, right? Same like that, here we need to do color. Okay, then here the name will come, that is the color name. Okay, you can give any name guys. So right now I'll give like primary. So this name you can take anything. Okay, not like primary only, you can take your name as well, no problem. Okay, now I'm taking a primary, and later I'll add here one color. Okay, so that color will take from internet guys. So here you can see, if you type here CSS colors, you'll get a lot of colors you'll get. So I picked it from here. You can see here also it is there, custom colors. So if you want this color, you can take this guys, hex color. Okay, hex RGB in HSL format, it is like this. Okay, so suppose if you want this, you can take this color guys, and from here if you want, see here there are color, you can pick anything from here, purple, then here there is an aqua. Okay, so any color you can take. So right now we'll take this color, right? It is looking nice. Or already we have blue. Yeah, already we have. So we'll take this color, guys. Okay, or red, black, yellow. Okay, this only we'll take. Just take it, go here and paste it here, guys. Okay, So hash should be there. So this is one color. Suppose if you want one more color, you can add that also. Color primary. So here different color will take. Which one? This. Which color it is? This like wangi color. We say wangi color. Okay, I don't know exactly. I'm not remembering the color in English. Okay. So see you are going, so this name I have to change, guys. So I'll give here. Shall I give secondary? Okay, fine, no problem. I'll give you a secondary. Secondary. Okay. So now I'll go here in my app.js. Now you can see here there is no color, right? Okay, on click me, we have given one color. Okay, so that color will change. So instead of this color, we'll take primary, right? So primary will take here. Background color is primary. Okay, so you can see the primary color. So if you go, you can see guys here I got primary color, right? You can see. Okay, suppose if I want text color, so here I'll write text secondary. Okay, text secondary. So you can see here this color has been changed. Okay, text secondary even will give BG color also there. Okay, so background will give primary. Yeah. So you can see guys primary color and this is my that secondary color. Okay, so you can see it is working, right? Okay, so like this what you can do, whatever color you want, you can give the name and you can add the color guys. So like this you can add custom colors in your React applications. Okay, so I hope you got this. Suppose if any question you can comment in comment box guys. Okay, and if you're new to my channel then guys don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so thank you so much guys, keep supporting it.